Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to make a quick video on how to scan with the HP OfficeJet 3830. Okay, so first of all, whatever you're going to scan, you can either place it on top, just like this, or you can lift it and put it in the screen. It is completely up to you. How would you like to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you this way, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. Okay? Now, on your laptop, you have to download the HP Smart app. It's going to open up just like this. It's going to basically tell you everything about your printer. As you can see, scan, smart tasks, play and learn, print document, etc., print pictures. And also it tells you how much ink you have. So the first thing you do, you put your paper into the printer, whatever you're gonna scan, and then you hit scan. Okay, it will look just like this when it opens up. You will document, letter, you can change the paper size, you can change document or photo, color or gray, where's the feeder, if you're gonna do in the feeder or the glass, what's the resolution, the higher you go the better. Okay, now you hit scan. Once you hit scan, your scanner will start going and is loading right here. It's scanning. Okay, it will open up on your computer screen whatever you put into the thing. Now, you can either print it or save it, but it's up to you how you want to save it, as a PDF or a JPG. It is up to you, you pick and choose. And then you save it to your file, or you'll print it, or you send it through an email. And you also got mobile fax. It's a whole bunch of different things you can do with it. So now, if you're on the go, and you wanted to scan something very quick onto your phone, grab your mobile device. You will download HP Smart. It will look just like this. You have to turn your Wi-Fi on so you can find the printer. Put it on the same network that your printer is on. Once connected, it will show your printer and how much ink it has. There you go. Okay, so it looks almost just like the one on the computer screen, but it's just like this on a mobile device. So you scroll down and you hit printer scan. It will come up just like this, look like a black screen. Okay, right now it's loading, just finished loading. So it's gonna be on the glass. So you're gonna pick the size of paper, and now you're gonna hit the little scan button. You can hear the scanner going, and it's not loud. That's a good thing. Love this printer. And once it's done, the document will come up just like that. So you can print it, you can share it, you can save it, or you can fax it. It is up to you. And so if you had another paper, so now, if you have multi papers to scan, just place them on top. It will keep scanning them, scanning them, and scanning them. And then, okay, so this is the last thing about scanning on this printer. So if you wanted to use the scan button, you have to program your computer to the scanner. So you will get into this app right here that comes with the printer. Way out there opens up. You have to go to scan, and you gotta go manage scan to computer. This part right here, you have to enable it. You have to enable it. Once that's done, you close it up. You pick your computer. You pick what do you want to do. Hit OK. It will say continuing. Then it starts scanning. Okay, finish. Go on your computer, and the scan file is right there. Open it up. And there you go. Well, if you have any question at all, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.